In this video, I will tell you about the shocking latest events at UBS Group and how you can make money on it, when to invest so as not to lose, and much more in this video. Don't forget to subscribe and watch to the end. UBS Group AG is a Swiss bank headquartered in Zurich. The bank was founded in 1862 and has since offered a wide range of financial services, including asset management, investment banking, and retail banking. Today, UBS Group is one of the largest banks in the world and employs more than 68,000 people in over 50 countries worldwide. The bank is known for its expertise in wealth management and serves some of the wealthiest clients in the world. In 2020, UBS Group announced a new strategy focused on its three core businesses: wealth management, investment banking, and asset management. The bank also aims to be a leader in sustainable investing by 2025 and to be carbon neutral by 2030. The UBS Optimus Foundation supports projects to improve the health and education of children around the world. Do you know which stocks will show a 70% increase this year or next? If not, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss these videos. Recent events: UBS Group has agreed to buy Credit Suisse in a landmark government-brokered deal, as first reported by the Financial Times and Bloomberg News Agency. The Swiss government, representatives of both banks and regulators confirmed UBS acquisition of troubled Credit Suisse for 3 billion francs. According to the report, Credit Suisse shareholders will get one UBS share for 22.48 Credit Suisse shares. The whole thing is expected to be completed by the end of the year. To reduce possible risks and potential losses for UBS, Switzerland is providing a guarantee of 9 billion francs. The Swiss National Bank has also agreed to offer UBS a $100 billion liquidity line as part of the transaction. UBS Chairman Colm Kelleher announced that Credit Suisse's investment banking business will be significantly scaled back and aligned with UBS's conservative risk culture. The acquisition strengthens UBS's position as a leading global wealth manager and offers significant cost savings of more than $8 billion annually through 2027. The merger is a better alternative to nationalization and will help address the massive plunge in Credit Suisse's shares and bonds following last week's collapse. To implement this plan, a new law was passed in Switzerland over the weekend that will allow the decision to go through without shareholder approval. This development is unprecedented and calls into question Switzerland's reputation as a safe and regulated country. It represents a significant restriction of property rights and shakes investor confidence. It is likely that shareholders will take legal action, resulting in negative headlines. As a result of these regulatory mistakes, UBS will be able to significantly strengthen its dominant position in Switzerland with government support and on favorable terms. Unfortunately, this merger will also be bitter for many thousands of employees of both banks, as there will be massive job cuts due to business overlaps. By the way, in the course of the financial crisis of 2008, UBS also had to be rescued by the Swiss government at that time, which led to a significant drop in the share price. This fell from 80 francs down to 10 francs. Since then, the UBS share price has largely moved sideways. UBS Group shares are listed on the SIX Swiss Exchange in Zurich and on the New York Stock Exchange, and its stock ticker symbols are UBSG and UBS. I have left a link in the description for profitable purchase of shares of this and other companies. This broker is used by me and millions of other investors. Check out the description. The company is part of the Swiss Market Index, an index of the largest and most liquid equity companies in Switzerland. In 2020, the shares were exposed to strong fluctuations due to uncertainty in global financial markets and the impact of the pandemic. The share price reached a low of around 7 francs 80 in March 2020, but recovered to pre-pandemic levels later in the year. If you look a little closer at the price chart, you will see that the share price has always fluctuated between 10 and 17 to 20 francs since 2009 until today. These price movements offer speculators a good opportunity to get in at 10 francs and get out at around 16 to 17 francs, which equates to a gain of around 60%, depending on the share price. It has taken about 2 years so far to reach the exit price. However, given recent events, I would wait and see how things develop for now. In general, though, I think the company is interesting for long-term investing. UBS Group has announced its dividend for 2023, which stands at 27.5 centimes per share. This dividend represents a yield of about 3% based on the current share price. To be eligible for the dividend payout this year, you should own shares by April 12th. Do you know which stocks have the highest dividend yield? Watch the video on my channel.